Hi, my name's David. I'm an artist printmaker and I'm the inventor of the V-Board. And I'm going to show you how to make and print linocuts anywhere without a press. The V-Board has a bench hook which stops it from sliding forwards. It has a 2-point support system for the plate which stops it from rotating and allows you to cut with your hand behind the cutting blade. And it has a simple but very effective registration system, making your print in exact registration all the time. So if we want to create a lino cut and we have an original design, the first thing that we've got to do is to get that design onto our plate. Now, normally you might just drop the design onto the plate and then transfer it like that, but it has a problem in that you can't recover that position. So first I draw up a design registration sheet and then trace the original design onto it. And once that has been completed, we put our blank plate into place between the front stops, and we take our transferred design and we transfer it onto the new plate. We rub this with our baron and our design has now been nicely transferred. I've done this in charcoal, and I would lightly spray this with hairspray in order to fix it before I started carving. The carving is done mostly against these front stops. It allows the plate to be supported in 2 places and it will not rotate. You can cut at any angle and the plate will remain in exactly the same place. So you don't have to hang on to the plate. You can keep both hands behind the cutting blade, which means that you will not cut yourself, and the cutting action, the carving action, is made simpler, quicker, more accurate because you're guiding it with 2 hands. Once the plate has been fully carved, we then will ink it up. Once the plate has been nicely inked up, we lay it into place inside the front stops. I always slide it into position in the same way so that even if the plate isn't cut square, it will sit in exactly the same place. And the same with the paper. I will always approach the back stops in exactly the same way, dropping the paper down in position so that it is in exactly the same place each time. This has created a registration system between the paper and the plate, and this can be recovered at any time. And so we complete our rubbing and remove the paper, and we have a lovely print.